Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Luna video update for Saturday 17th of September right now. And I told you about this double bottom scenario yesterday. Is it time to make that double bottom scenario? Okay, so from here, from there, you do have a little bit of a double bottom right now. You still haven't broken the neckline. Told you really have to break the neckline and back test, and then you might potentially be looking to go all the way up to this price level here near $3.72. You haven't really done that one just yet, but it seems like if you could actually do it, maybe today you can actually pop out of here, go to 3.25, come back, hold the retest like this, and then you can actually go up. You still haven't broken out of it. Remember that you still have chances to go down, and I told you that this is still a flag, and this flag is still in play, and you can actually end up getting rejected and try to come down to 1.7-ish dollar. Now I do want to see it coming down to backtest 1.79 because that's the level that you really did in backtest ever since you made this huge move to the upside. All you did is just aggressively broke to the upside, and now you're falling down and down and down. Okay, now there's one more resistance that I think is in play right now, and it's gonna be this resistance just like that, which you are actually breaking out of. So there's a good sign right now. Okay, that's a very good sign at the moment. So here we are. You did actually made one resistance here, second resistance right there, third resistance here, but it seems like you've actually broken out of it. So you could actually try to put a buying bid with a stop loss maybe, and you can actually get lucky a little bit and try to move to the upside as well. So there's something amazing about it. Who knows, this can actually be a little bit of a bottom right here, and you can actually start to move up once again, and you can even still invalidate to actually come down there. So there's one resistance. Only positive thing about this one is that this resistance there, and you do have another resistance up here. But let's see what happens if you actually try to move up impulsively. So let's see if the fib retracement can tell us the next target. Yeah, so you can see the 1.618 is the main technical target that I told you about, the double bottom. So yeah, expect us to maybe break out of here again and try to move up to 3.7, and that's actually a very lovely trade if you ask me. That can actually be a nice 20%, 19% move to the upside as well. And that's pretty much it for this update on Luna. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.